you're helping us sa mga street
Yeah,
children, sa
actually,
mga-
with that, I have another page, the College Literaland, wherein for my advocacy to help the street children, I gather the street children in our neighborhood,
Correct.
and then we feed them, we teach them reading. I have a lot of books, mga from lawyer, teach them how to pray.
May natuto naman ba?
Yes, actually, most of them, they are motherless, fatherless. Kasi I interviewed each one of them eh. And then, I discovered that they have, emotional breakdown, they are sad, they are depressed, something like that. And then, I encourage them to study at also learning school. And after a month, a year, I discovered that they have graduated already, they are working now.
Nice, nice.
Actually, I want to gather them again and how the Lord changed their lives, It's the power of helping hands with the Lord with these little children.
Kita mo kahit kung sino tayo ng medyo mag-aang ngayon seryoso natin. Para malaman nila na at the surface, masaya ka, pero deep inside, very serious na person at tumutulong ka sa mga kapwa. Yun natin support sa ating mga audience.
Thank you. So thank you so much for this opportunity, Sir Bobby, Sir...
Hindi, may bahid
Sir
ko.
Edge.
I have a
Sir
question.
Edge.
May bahid ko question ko.
Pwede mo tanong. I have a question.
Please.
Your question.
Hindi, kasi you are
Nakaka-intrigue ba yan?